Welcome students to the second part. I hope you have seen the first, then you have came over here. So now we are going to make rose bouquet of tricolor papers. Here I have drawn a circle. You can draw the circle of any diameter. Then you have to draw something like this. It's a freehand drawing and you have to just draw a spiral. Make sure the width of these circles, the outer circle and the inner circle, is approximately equal. Like over here, here and here. Now over here, the circle that we have drawn, we have to cut that. Either you can cut it in the beginning or at the end. Now I am going to paste this and roll this way. Okay, you have to just roll it till the end. It's simple, you have to just roll it. Now at the end, I'm just going to stick this. Loose this, so you would get something like this. I have drawn green and white roses and placed them with the help of double side tape, fevicol and a broomstick in such a way. Now I am going to draw something like this, and you can decorate this bottle similarly as I have decorated this vase. Okay. Now I am going to tell you how to draw, how to make this one. Okay. So just take a square paper. You can take of any size according to your flower. Then fold it this way. Then fold it this way. Then fold it this way. Okay, now after doing 3 folds, I am going to draw this section, these petals this way, right? After cutting this, you would get something like this. Now I am going to cut it from one section this way and fold it accordingly, right? Like I folded it this way so that there are at least 2 petals. I will paste it. Now I am gonna make this part. You have to take blue color and just fold it this way. Just make a. Now I am wrapping this over the broomstick. Just do this way so that our petals are blossoming, right? Like our flower is blossoming. Just do this way. Now you would get something like this. Now I am going to make wall hanging. We would make this fan something like this and this flower. So first, starting with this fan, just take a square paper and fold it as much as you can. So first fold it so that you may know that how much you can do. So for this way, I have got something like this. Now I would be folding it this way and this way. Now I am going to stick this. Now this one. So for this, you have to just again you have to just fold it this way so that you may know that what are the proportions of. Now do this way and this way. Now I am gonna make this flower. So simply take a square, do this way. Now cut this portion. Now I'm going to cut this way and similarly paste it. Now I'm going to assemble them. Here our wall hanging is complete. You can place it anywhere. These leaves have been made by this only. I have just folded it this way. Have a good day and happy Independence Day in advance. See you next time.